In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Scrum sprint in Jira. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for managing projects efficiently. Whether you're an experienced project manager or just starting out, setting up a Scrum sprint in Jira can help streamline your workflow and improve collaboration within your team. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, navigate to Atlassian's website. It's where Jira is hosted along with other collaboration tools for software, IT, and business teams. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're new to Atlassian, you may need to create an account beforehand. Once you've signed in, you'll see a waffle icon at the top right near your account avatar. This icon is basically a menu for accessing different apps within the Atlassian suite. Click on that waffle icon, and among the various options that appear, you should see Jira. Click on Jira to proceed. Now that you're in Jira, it's time to select the project you want to work on. If you're part of multiple projects, you'll see them listed here. Choose a project that you want to organize into a sprint. Selecting a project will take you to its dashboard. Next, on the project's menu, find and click on Backlog. This is where all the tasks, user stories, or issues reside before being organized into a sprint. Think of it as a holding area for tasks awaiting prioritization. Now, while you're in the backlog, you'll see an option to Create Sprint. Go ahead and click that. Creating this sprint doesn't start it immediately. It opens a setup interface where you can configure the sprint details. Once you've created a sprint, you need to start it. To do this, locate the Start Sprint button. Clicking it will initiate the sprint for your team. At this point, you'll likely be asked for some details like the duration of the sprint, which is traditionally 2 weeks, though this can be adjusted to fit your team's workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and started a Scrum sprint in Jira. Remember, the success of a sprint is not just in its setup, but also in how it's managed and adapted along the way. So, ensure regular stand-ups and reviews for effective progress tracking. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you find this guide useful for your team's agile processes. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Jira and other project management tools. Until next time, happy sprinting!